Welcome to my presentation for my administrative goal for the Academy for Language and Technology. My goal is going to focus on improving student test scores. For the 2018-2019 school year, our administrative goal was as follows. In June 2018, our community of ELs achieved a 40% pass rate on the ELA Regents exam. Our goal is to increase this to a 45% pass rate in June 2019 through scaffolded differentiated lessons, Saturday Academy, and after-school academic intervention services, or AIS, targeted to the lowest third of our population, what we call Tier 3 students. A bit of context. My high school is a small high school dedicated to servicing exclusively Spanish-speaking English language learners who are recent immigrants from Central and South America and the Caribbean. Because of that, many of our students have not yet developed English proficiency by the time they enter our school. At our school, our students take their ELA Regents exam in the 10th grade, so that if they do not pass on the first try, they have as many opportunities as they need to take and pass their exam again. The vision and mission at the Academy for Language and Technology are as follows. The Academy for Language and Technology will provide a nurturing environment where learning, creativity, and free thinking are strongly encouraged. Our close-knit network of parents, community members, and faculty will provide each student with a supportive foundation on which he or she can develop as an individual and scholar. Students will emerge from ALT as confident learners, responsible people, active members of the community, and positive leaders. All students will be proficient in reading, writing, and speaking English, numeracy, and using technology. They will become critical thinkers and risk takers who have built the solid civic competence necessary to make a positive impact in the community. Our mission is ALT will nurture inquiry-based learning, character development, and community building. Our focus is to prepare students to compete in the global economy. Students will be afforded opportunities to connect technology to real-world experiences via internships, advanced learning methods, and professional environment. Community, leadership, and social activism will lead ALT's school culture to nurture the growth of articulate, responsible citizens. So our goal is really connected to creating proficient students who are totally proficient in English, and students who are ready to compete in the global economy. Students need to be able to first speak English and second graduate high school. And to do those two things, passing their Regents exam is necessary. As part of our strategic planning, this year, ALT has recommitted to doing the following things. Students will attend Saturday school approximately 30 Saturdays during the school year. Saturday school runs from 9 o'clock to 1 o'clock and is targeted towards the 4 content areas. That's English, math, history, and science. Students will also attend Academic Intervention Services, or AIS, after school for the lowest struggling students. Teachers will create differentiated lesson plans for students and create lesson plans incorporating QTEL methodologies. QTEL stands for Quality Teaching for English Learners and is a set of research-based strategies that teachers use to support the development of our English language learners. In terms of the deployment of our human resources, we have ELA and ENL teachers co-teaching, especially in our classrooms with the highest number of lowest proficiency Ls. We've also strategically placed our teachers in different grades. So, for example, we put a highly experienced ELA teacher in the 11th grade so that she is able to support those students who have not yet passed their English Regents exam. In terms of creating the schedules, our school is an extended day school which incorporates hour-long classes. Our students in all grades take hour-long classes. This allows teachers more time to go more in-depth on concepts that the students might struggle with. We have ELA and ENL teachers co-teaching, and the ENL teacher, especially in the 10th grade, aligns her curriculum to the ELA curriculum so that students are effectively receiving 2 hours of ELA per day. We have an enormous per session budget. We have a budget that includes ENL teachers as well as an enormous PD budget. We also have in our budget an instructional consultant who comes to our school once per week to help us with our curriculum. We have a number of policies which help us achieve this goal. Our most important, in terms of this one, are our Saturday school and AIS policies. We also have what's called LSU, or Learning Support Unit, which is a mentoring program for our students. This year, our mentoring program was targeted to those students who are chronically absent to get them to come to school. Our school is a uniform school, and students are required to attend Saturday school and AIS in 9th and 10th grades. My recommendations to achieve this goal are that we continue to implement these practices which have been proven to be best practices for our students. And finally, the results. This year we have the results. Our students achieved a 59% pass rate in the 10th grade. This is unprecedented for our school and cause for celebration. Should you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you for listening to my presentation.